So hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about the TCS NQT 2026 interview experience of 1st April 2026. So many of the candidates actually gone through the interview, and also means many of my candidates who have participated in our mock interview, they have shared their experience and what they are facing and all the tips they have mentioned. So first thing, they have clearly mentioned that you have to go through each and every points of your resume. Okay, so resume से भाई आप लोगों का क्वेश्चन मोस्ट ऑफ द मीन्स कैंडिडेट से वो रिज्यूमे से पूछा जा रहा है, तो आप जो जो रिज्यूमे मेंशन कर रहे हैं मेक श्योर आप लोग भाई अच्छे से गो थ्रू करें. दैट विल इंपॉर्टेंट एंड क्रिटिकल, means that will play a critical role in your selections. Okay, so the things that I want to tell, one more point is go to the project. Especially if you are selected for the prime role, then you have to go to deep dive into your project, because they might ask you to write some logic. Suppose one of the candidates share their experience and he was selected for the prime role, and he said that they asked the code of the JavaScript and also how to connect the front end and back end. So that completely depend on them. Again saying friends, or against means it depends on the interviewer that what are the tech stack they are aware of and all those things. If they know pretty much, and if because they are giving you 9 LPA na, or 9 or 9.1 or 2 3 LPA, then they will expect something for you. Okay, ऐसे नहीं भाई आपको 9 LPA मिल जाएगा. So for that you have to work hard a little bit, and those who have selected for interview and just want to schedule, I suggest must give at least one mock interview, because you will get clarity about your things, that on what point you are ahead and what point you are back. So you have to basically work according to that. So if you want, you can schedule the mock interview with us. Just fill the Google form in the description. We will schedule your mock interview and provide you the dedicated feedback and guidance, which will basically help you to clear the exam. So those who have exam further, then the things I want to tell, just focus on all these aspects. OOPS concept must go through it. SQL questions, ये जो क्वेश्चन है भाई फिर से रिपीट हो रहा है, रिलेटेड टू सेकंड हाईएस्ट सैलरी. सो सपोज यू हैव बीन गिवन हायर एम्प्लॉय टेबल एंड यू हैव टू फेच द सेकंड हाईएस्ट सैलरी फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉय टेबल, देन हाउ विल गेट इट. सो इस तरह का क्वेश्चन भाई पूछा जा रहा है, एंड टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट आप अच्छे से देख के जाइएगा. ओके, सो फॉर डिजिटल कैंडिडेट्स लिटिल बिट प्राइम कैंडिडेट से थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ द इंटरव्यू कैन से लो है, बट द टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस आपको कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है. एक कोड मीन फॉर सम ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स दे माइट गिव यू अ पेन एंड पेपर एंड यू हैव टू राइट द लॉजिक. ओके, सम इंटरव्यूअर आर जस्ट आस्किंग टू राइट द pseudo code or logic for the particular code. Suppose for, I think if I can recall, for one candidate they asked to write the logic for the binary search. So you know you have to write, means you have to declare the functions and you have to take the elements and compare those value and just update the mid value, and accordingly basically you have to go through it. तो ये सब जो आप जो फेमस इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन है, जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. मैंने ऑलरेडी इसके रिलेटेड डिटेल वीडियो बनाया हूँ, व्हाट द थिंग्स दैट यू शुड गो फॉर इट. सो या मेनी ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स वर गिविंग पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स का अराउंड 15 to 20 मिनट्स इंटरव्यू चल रहा है. एंड अगेन दैट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन द इंटरव्यूअर. फॉर सम कैंडिडेट्स इट माइट बी 30 to 40 minutes or might be 50 minutes. That depend on your luck, on the interviewer, on you, that how much depth you are going. So that's the thing I want to tell. And one tips I want to share to all of those candidates, that must prepare your self intro very well. Okay, because you know the first impression is the last impression. So if you will give the good interview, or what can I say, good intro now, then it will create a positive impression and make sure to manage the interview according to you, not to the interviewer. So आपको पता है, if you are strong in project, then say in the intro only that I did this project, some amazing things you can add this. So for sure interviewer gonna ask the question from that project only. So भाई इंटरव्यू को आपने फ्लो में लेके जाइए. दैट इज़ द बेनिफिशियल एंड दैट इज़ द की टिप्स आई वांट टू शेयर टू एवरीवन. सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू द कैंडिडेट्स हु हैव इंटरव्यू फर्दर, एंड इफ यू हैव अ क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क हियर. वी विल फील वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू एंड होप दैट यू आर लाइकिंग आवर वीडियो. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी वी कैन कनेक्ट ऑन लिंक्डइन, और यू कैन आस्क एनी क्वेरी एट इंस्टा or Facebook or WhatsApp. So these are the things that I want to tell. And those students who haven't got the admit card, no need to worry, because many of the candidates are saying that I haven't get. So is there any issue or resume shortlisting? No resume shortlisting is there. You will sure get the admit card. Okay, so I think TCS have just stopped the what can I say, exam. So must comment whether you got the admit card or not, but they are releasing in the phase by phase manner. So you have to wait patiently, and that's all thing I want to tell. Hope informative to you. If you have inquiry, feel free to ask here. And for those who need preparation material like coding or apti, you can just join our WhatsApp Telegram group. So all the best to the candidates who have exam further. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.